Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the project and selecting the layer you want the preset on. Once done, open Effects and Presets, Window Effects and Presets or Shift+5, so you can search quickly. Make sure your timeline indicator is at the frame where you want the effect to begin. This sets keyframe context. You're preparing the ground so applying a preset won't shift timing or break parented animations, which saves time when you move to the next step. Drag the chosen preset onto the selected layer or double-click it while the layer is active. That applies all effect stacks and keyframes at once. Next, open Effect Controls and change parameters, scale, opacity, easing, or color, so values fit your scene. Make sure to scrub the timeline and adjust any automatically inserted keyframes, because presets often include timing baked in. Finally, RAM preview the section and toggle solo to see how the preset interacts with other elements before finalizing. Finish by fine-tuning. Pre-compose the layer if the preset change transforms or you need isolation. This preserves layout and parenting. Once adjusted, use Graph Editor to smooth keyframes or apply expression controls for global tweaking. If something looks wrong, reset individual effects or remove and reapply the preset with the correct layer selected to ensure parameters align. One troubleshooting tip. If After Effects slows or previews glitch, purge the cache and lower preview resolution to confirm the preset itself isn't causing render problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.